Understanding Vector Space Basis, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and fundamental concept in mathematics and physics, but we'll break it down into simple terms so it's easy to understand. We're talking about vector space basis. Whether you're just curious, a student tackling this concept, or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Let's demystify what a vector space basis is and why it's so crucial in the world of vectors and linear algebra. Before we jump into what a basis is, let's quickly understand what we mean by a vector space. Imagine a vector space as a playground where vectors live and interact. In more technical terms, it's a collection of vectors that can be added together and multiplied, scaled, by numbers, known as scalars. Scalars are usually real numbers. This playground follows certain rules for these operations, ensuring that no matter how we mix and match vectors, the result is always another vector in the same playground. In any vector space, vectors are the main characters. Think of them as arrows pointing from one point to another in space. These arrows have both direction and magnitude, size. In our daily life, we see vectors in action when we talk about the speed and direction of a moving car or the force applied to an object. Vectors can live in two-dimensional spaces, like the surface of a piece of paper, or in more complex, multi-dimensional spaces. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: the basis of a vector space. A basis is essentially a set of vectors in a vector space that are both linearly independent and span the entire space. Linear independence means that no vector in the set can be written as a combination of the others. Imagine you have a set of directions. If you can't describe one direction as a mix of the others, they are linearly independent. To span a vector space means that any vector in the space can be expressed as a combination of the basis vectors. If you can get anywhere in the playground by just using a specific set of slides, vectors, then those slides span the playground. A basis is like a unique set of building blocks for a vector space. By knowing just these blocks, you can create any vector in the space. Understanding the basis of a vector space is crucial because it gives us a simple way to describe and work with vectors. With a basis, we can represent any vector in the space in terms of a unique combination of basis vectors, simplify complex vector operations by working with basis vectors, apply these concepts in various fields, from physics to computer science, where understanding the structure and dimensions of spaces is essential. And there you have it. The concept of a vector space basis might seem daunting at first, but it's all about finding a set of unique, non-overlapping directions that can take you anywhere in a space. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to understand and explore the fascinating world of vectors and linear algebra. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on the topic. Stay curious, and keep learning. Remember, math is not just about numbers and equations. It's a language that helps us describe and understand the world around us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.